Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to create a poll in Slack using app Polly. Whether you need quick feedback or want to make a team decision, a poll is the easiest way to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open Slack on your desktop and make sure you are logged in. Look at the left sidebar, click on Apps, then select Manage and Browse Apps to open the Slack app directory. In the search bar, type Polly and click Add. It will open in your browser. Click Add to Slack and follow the installation steps. Once installed, Polly will be added to your Slack workspace and you are ready to create a poll. Now go to the channel or direct message where you want to create the poll. Type /Polly followed by your question and options. For example, /POLLY, which project should we prioritize? This is my question. And after that, press enter. A Polly pop-up will appear. You can choose the question type as per your preference. Here I'll choose multiple choice. In the enter choices field, I'll add design, marketing, development. After that, just click send Polly. Polly will instantly create a structured poll with clickable options. As people vote, Polly will automatically count and display the results in real time. You can also click view results for a detailed breakdown. And that's it. Now you know how to create a poll in Slack using Polly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. See you next time.